Next test I'm going to move on to is what's called a phosphate test. This is often referred to as food for algae. It is essentially a fertilizer that algae really thrives on growing. So if your phosphates are really high, the pool can sometimes become unmanageable. We're going to take a sample of this water, some of the reagent, and this is going to look for a endpoint color change. If it's clear, then we have 0 to very low phosphates, and the darker blue it gets, the higher the phosphate content is. So this one takes about a minute. Then our phosphate test should be about done now. What I'm going to do with that is pour it back into its test tube, and then I will test it based on this scale here. What I'm looking for is to match the color that's in the vial with what's in the paper here. This one does look like it's going to be pretty close to 500. So phosphates here are 500, which is high. You're going to want it no more than 100, and less would be even better. So that does explain part of what the situation we have going with some of this green algae that's cropped up here in the water. The unit is going to remove nearly all those phosphates, as well as we're going to take that calcium down from 1075 to about 150, maybe a little bit lower.